The line tool lets you draw lines by dragging from one point in the active document and releasing in another point. You can draw lines at precise 45 or 90-degree angles by holding down the Shift key as you drag. You can set the line weight before start drawing. Lower values for thinner lines and higher values for thicker lines. By clicking on the gear icon, you can have access to the line tool options. You can select the start and or end checkboxes to create arrowheads on the line. By width, you can set a percentage from 10 to 1000 to determine the width of the arrowhead in relation to the width of the line. By length, you can set a percentage from 10 to 5000 to determine the length of the arrowhead. And by concavity, you can set a percentage from -50 to +50 to determine the concavity of the arrowhead. One important tip is that the line tool can be used to create customized guidelines for those projects that require something other than vertical or horizontal guidelines. Because in Photoshop, you don't have diagonal guides. For this, just select the line tool, choose a line width of 1 or 2 pixels, select the drawing color that contrasts with the image, and then draw the required guides. You can set the angles by using Free Transform tool. When you are finished, group the layers, name the group, lock the group, and use the visual guides to complete your project. You can hide the layers when it's not needed. And finally, delete the layers when you are done with the project. Isn't it amazing? Of course it is. In the next movie, I'm going to show you how to draw custom shapes in Photoshop.